Hi.
Hello.
So, I'm back with...
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow. But babies don't live.
Whoa. You touched me like that. You usually gotta take me to dinner.
So, we're back with the wagon. Currently trying to fight the headers in, which is definitely not the easiest thing that I've ever done. It's not the hardest thing, but, you know, it's not the easiest thing. So, I've had a jack under the back of the transmission to, angle it, and I got the cherry picker on it. They're in. I just gotta get them at the right angle to actually bolt them to the block, or to the heads.
And hope to God they clear shit.
Yeah. Are these are the headers that were on it, right?
No, they're the headers that are supposed to fit it. Car came in with exhaust manifolds.
Oh.
Ken
Okay.
bought these headers and said, yeah, they're for a Galaxy.
I'm not 100% sure that they're gonna work.
Well,
Now that you say that.
we have to try it.
Yeah, I know we have to try it, but Scotty's poor rap job if it doesn't work.
No?
Well, I'll keep fighting with that, see if I can get them bolted in, and if I can't, then, well, I guess we have the wrong headers. So, hopefully, I can get that in. We have the gaskets. And the nice thing is that these are slotters here at the bottom. So I can just put all the bottom bolts in, which they are, and I can just slide it on. And that makes it easy to hold on the gasket. Instead of trying to fight the gasket on and then the headers and then, you know, that whole game. So I'm gonna keep fighting with that and hopefully I can get it to work. Hi.
Howdy. So, I don't think these headers are going to work, Ken.
No.
There's no way. That's not going to work.
Because it has to come flat with that, which will bring the bottom out more.
Yeah.
And there's already literally no room over here. And there's just no way.
Yeah. So we're going to pull the headers back out. We're going to set the engine back down on its mount. And I'm going to start looking for a set of headers that will fit. Maybe a set of shorties or something. But I'm going to find something, get some dimensions, and then...
It sucks about his exhaust wrap.
Yeah, but the wrap is still good.
Yeah,
we can cut it
reuse
off
it,
and
but-
go from there.
Yeah.
So, Danielle's trying to escape. No escaping! Just kidding. Anyway, all right, so we'll pull these out, we'll get it down, and then while we're doing that, then we can start on at least getting the cooling system mocked up and some of that.
Yeah.
So we'll get on that. We fought this for quite a bit this afternoon because it never hurts to try, especially because, you know, it's what the customer wants, and they should have fit because they're Ford Galaxy, but you never know till you try it.